Welcome, I'm Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today I'm going to take you through what a shower and tub repair service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. When your shower or bathtub isn't functioning properly, it can disrupt your daily routine. That's where we come in, ready to get your bathroom back in working order. First things first, our experienced technicians will begin by diagnosing the problem. This could range from a dripping faucet to low water pressure, clogs, or leaks. We arrive equipped with the necessary tools and replacement parts to address a wide range of issues. For a dripping faucet, we may need to replace worn-out components or tighten loose ones to stop the leak. Before we begin any repair work, safety is our top priority. We'll make sure the water supply is safely turned off. Depending on the issue, we may need to disassemble the faucet or shower head to access and repair the problem. Clogged drains are a common issue. We'll use specialized tools to remove the blockage and restore proper drainage. Once the repair is complete, we'll turn the water supply back on and test the system to ensure everything is functioning as it should. We'll also check and adjust water temperature and pressure to ensure your comfort and safety. To prevent future issues, consider installing a water softener to reduce mineral buildup and schedule regular maintenance to keep your plumbing in top shape. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your shower and tub repairs in the Phoenix metro area. Your comfort and convenience are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service.